In this video, we will explore 8 effective home remedies for acid reflux that harness the power of nature to bring you relief. Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux disease, occurs when stomach acid flows backward into the esophagus, triggering heartburn, bloating, and discomfort. While medications are commonly used to manage symptoms, many individuals seek natural approaches to support long-term digestive balance. Let's dive in. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. Despite being acidic, apple cider vinegar may aid in improving low stomach acid. When diluted, it helps neutralize excess stomach acid, bringing relief to those who experience frequent heartburn. Additionally, apple cider vinegar supports better digestion and can prevent acid reflux by keeping the digestive system in balance. To use, mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it 15 to 30 minutes before each meal. It is important to start with smaller amounts and gradually increase to assess your tolerance. It is also crucial to always dilute apple cider vinegar before consumption, as it can be harmful to your enamel and throat. Number 2. Aloe vera juice. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera juice is a valuable remedy for acid reflux. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation in the esophagus and digestive tract, providing relief from discomfort and inflammation caused by acid reflux. Additionally, aloe vera promotes overall digestive health. To experience its benefits, drink 1/2 cup of pure aloe vera juice before meals. Ensure that the juice is free from preservatives and additives. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is an excellent remedy for acid reflux due to its calming effect on the stomach and ability to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. It helps relax the esophageal sphincter, preventing stomach acid from backing up into the esophagus. This herb also aids in better digestion, reducing the likelihood of acid reflux. To enjoy the benefits of ginger, steep slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. This can be done before or after meals to reduce reflux symptoms. For optimal results, consult a healthcare professional for guidance on ginger consumption. Number 4. Baking soda is a quick and effective remedy for acid reflux, due to its ability to neutralize stomach acid. When mixed with water and consumed, it helps alleviate heartburn and discomfort. However, it is important to use baking soda only occasionally, as excessive consumption can disrupt sodium balance in the body. To use baking soda for acid reflux, mix 1/2 to 1 teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it slowly. Avoid consuming large amounts of baking soda without consulting a healthcare professional. Number 5. Slippery Elm. Slippery elm is a natural remedy that effectively treats acid reflux by soothing the esophagus and reducing irritation. This herb coats the lining of the digestive tract, providing a protective barrier against stomach acid and promoting healing. To use slippery elm, stir 1 to 2 tablespoons of slippery elm powder into water and drink it after meals. If you prefer, you can also consume it in capsule form. Number 6. Licorice root. DGL is a modified form of licorice root that offers similar benefits while minimizing the potential side effects of traditional licorice. It helps protect the stomach lining and strengthen the esophageal sphincter, preventing acid reflux. To use DGL, chew 2 tablets 20 minutes before meals. Alternatively, you can sip on licorice tea, which is also beneficial for soothing the digestive tract. Number 7. Chamomile tea. Renowned for its calming properties, chamomile tea is effective in relaxing the digestive tract and reducing stress-related acid reflux. It helps soothe the stomach, allowing food to pass through the digestive system more smoothly and reducing the likelihood of acid reflux. To enjoy the benefits of chamomile, drink a cup of chamomile tea 30 minutes before bedtime or after dinner. You can also opt for a caffeine-free variety to ensure it does not interfere with sleep. Number 8. Probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut and aid in digestion. They help maintain the balance of gut flora, reduce bloating, and enhance the digestive process. By improving overall gut health, probiotics indirectly assist in preventing acid reflux and promoting a healthy digestive system. You can incorporate probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut into your meals. Additionally, consider taking a high-quality probiotic supplement daily to boost your intake. Finally, lifestyle habits that help. Several lifestyle habits can effectively manage acid reflux symptoms. Eat smaller, more frequent meals to prevent pressure buildup in the stomach. Identify and avoid trigger foods that worsen your reflux. Common culprits include spicy dishes, chocolate, caffeine, alcohol, citrus fruits, and fried foods. Don't lie down immediately after eating. Wait at least 2 to 3 hours before reclining or going to bed. Elevate the head of your bed by using risers or a wedge pillow. This helps keep acid from traveling upward during sleep. Manage weight, as excess weight puts pressure on the stomach, worsening reflux. Even a small reduction in weight can significantly improve symptoms. Reduce stress through deep breathing exercises, meditation, or gentle yoga, as stress can exacerbate acid reflux. In conclusion, natural remedies offer a gentle yet effective approach to finding relief from acid reflux symptoms. By incorporating these remedies and making positive lifestyle changes, you can support your digestive health and reduce discomfort. Remember, consistency is key when trying natural remedies, and it may take time to find the right combination of approaches that work best for you. If you've tried these remedies, let us know about your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Your support means everything to us. Stay healthy and take care.